I want to know what your guys' thoughts are on skateboarding in the Olympics. Let's just start this video off straight there. Leave it in the comments below, because right now we're about to go into, what is this, round 3?
I think it's round 4.
Round 4 of the Skateboarding Olympics. Boom! Here today we have Mr. Uzi, Mr. Jacuzzi, Carlos, Fetty, and Nigel. And Jacuzzi was me.
As the official host of this Skate Olympics, I'm going to run you guys through the obstacles first.
And we're sorry we had these incredible Olympic outfits and then somehow we lost them. But we'll get better Olympic outfits next time. If you want to see us in like those wrestling tutus, leave it in the comments below.
Are the contestants ready? Yes. So the very first event is a timed Skateboarding Made Simple 5 challenge.
Wow, none of us can even do Skateboarding Made Simple 5 tricks, so that's going to be a challenge.
The second one is the longest power slide. You're going to have 3 tries to get your longest power slide.
That's what she said.
And the last one is stack deck ollie challenge on flat ground. So everyone starts with 1, and then every time you go and do it, you stack another deck. You have 2 tries for each one.
That's what he said.
Real quick, for Skateboarding Made Simple Volume 5, I wrote out all the tricks. Varial flip, backside flip, frontside flip, backside heel, hard flip, varial heel, inward heel, 3 flip, backside big spin. Those are all the tricks you have to do.
So to decide who's going first, we're going to flip boards. Last time we did this, Uzi destroyed his tail. Ready? On 3, 3.
You guys Rochambeau.
What does upside down mean?
All right.
First.
Second, Aaron. Your third. And then you 2 Rochambeau. Fetty is first, Aaron is second, Carlos is third, Daniel is fourth, and Nigel is last.
I will be here today representing the country of Montana.
The country of Montana? Does he know it?
A lot of you guys are gonna have some problems with some of them. I need everyone to remain open-minded, be patient, okay? Don't get too mad, it's just the first event, all right? So Fetty, the timer starts on the first pop. Good.
Why'd I try to go first? Dang it. Hey, anything goes, so hands count.
Good.
I swear I felt like that already like 6 times. Fork. I hate this trick.
Good.
Ow! This trick is the devil.
We should do like a kickflip front revert.
I can't front revert.
No, that counts, that counts, that counts.
I hit that. No, I still haven't done inward.
This trick is the devil.
Heel flip. I can't heel flip.
Yeah!
Oh no.
All right.
Wow! That was sick. He crushed it. I'm not getting that good of a time. I guarantee you that. 4 minute, 16 second. You know, I really didn't want to go second. I wanted to watch Nigel and Carlos front heel to see what it did.
You ready?
Yeah.
On your first pop.
No! No! This is my easiest trick in this whole...
Calm down, go slower.
I'm hyperventilating. Not for the Olympics.
Relax, Aaron.
I can't. We're in the Olympics. This is gold medal. Wow, my back just went out 3 times. I haven't skated in months. My back is killing me. Oh, seriously. Need to see the chiropractor. Oh boy. I might have to bow out of this one.
I'll give that to you, yep.
Oh, my back is straight killing me. I'm not even kidding. Oof. Oh. Oh yeah, I can't jump.
Good. Good.
Oh, one try to beat Fetty. Right up my butt. Oh, good God. Wow. Quite possibly my worst performance on a skateboard ever. Okay, first try. My heart is about to explode. Woo! Last trick, all I gotta do is front heel. I knew this was my nemesis though.
We'll give it to you. That was pretty bad, but we'll give it to you.
What? Let me do it again then.
No, it's okay. How was that?
Well, I'm really sorry to let down the country of Montana. I love you guys still. I love you. Come visit you again soon, Big Sky State. This episode of the Braille Olympics is sponsored by Lumerit.com. If you have gone to college in the past and didn't finish, or if you haven't gone to college at all, you can now go. Go to this website, Lumerit.com, and this works with almost any college, literally any college. So you're gonna log in, you're gonna say, I want a degree in film making, and then it's gonna say, your degree will cost this much and you'll graduate in this amount of time, and this is how it works. You know exactly what you're getting into, and this works online. It is incredible, and it will save you tons of heartbreak, and you won't have to graduate with $1 billion in debt like everyone else. So go ahead and go to Lumerit.com, link in the description below. Go to college and learn and gain knowledge. That rhymed, and you didn't even know it. Back to Braille Olympics.
It's my turn. See how much practice I've had this week.
Back big spin.
Oh no, I thought this was gonna be the easy one. I can't even do it that way.
Is that it? Yeah. You frontside flip?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna start with Trey.
Okay. Good. 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 Good.
My shoes untied. I'm untied. Wasting time, but it'll pay off.
Good.
All right.
You got front and back heel and inward heel. Seven minutes. Okay. Inward heel flip, front side heel flip. Flip. Yeah, 15 seconds.
How does anyone do this trick?
Alright, that's it. We set a 10-minute maximum time. Alright, well, Nigel, you're up.
Where'd you put it?
Want to play basketball?
Oh, you jerk! All right, let's do it.
Good.
Yeah!
Yeah.
That's the one!
Boom. All right, inward heel and backside flip. That's it. All right, backside flips. Full send.
I hate kickflips so much.
Oh!
God, this trick is so stupid.
Yeah! I'm sorry for that slam, man.
I got third. Second.
All right, you guys. Second event is the longest power slide. Fetty, you first. You have 3 attempts. Troy is the official marker. Your longest slide is the one that counts out of the 3 attempts. You have to land it. You have to roll away. This right here is the starting line. 2 more tries. Well done.
He did not power slide that
Did you
far.
not? He did.
And landed.
Yeah.
This is where his wheels went straight.
Yeah.
I knew I should have been out here to qual.
Seemed like you went
qual check
weightless.
this. I made it way past there. You guys are just marking it incorrectly. What? I did it straight. I was like, I went into the wall power slide.
This is Aaron's longest time.
That
Or
seemed like
his
it.
longest one right here. That was good, man. All right, Carlos.
Hey, that's good for his first one. Right by Fetty's.
That can count because you didn't land it.
I know.
Uzi! What did you think was gonna happen?
Controller on the corner.
What did you think would happen? Alright, this is his longest.
Pretty good.
Alright, Nigel, your turn. Fetty was first, then Carlos, then Daniel, Nigel, Aaron. The third and final event is the flat ground high ollie board stack challenge. So we start out with one, everyone does it, and then we put a second one on there and so on and so forth. You have 2 tries to clear it. That's it.
I'm gonna do it. You watch
Yeah,
me.
you've been working out.
I have been. You see me? I've been in the gym.
That's 3. This is 5. All right, Carlos, you have one more try. You and Carlos have one more try. Game! All right, that's 6.
Oh, it's so scary.
Not even close.
It's a mountain. Close.
Sorry, my
No
friend.
cigar.
You guys all got one more try, right? You got this.
High. This is for gold right now.
This is for gold.
Wasn't even close.
Exploded.
There we go.
All right, I got it. I hit it.
Well, we do have a 4-way tie. So AK was last, he was second. You got first, you got first, you got first, and you got first. So that's gonna put Aaron's total at 11. Fetty, your total's at, wow, 4. Yeah,
8.
Nigel's at 8. Carlos is at, god dang it. And Uzi Daniel, 531, is gonna be at 9. So we have a 2-way tie.
I made the most points in one like I knew I would.
So we have a 2-way first place tie between Fetty and Carlos.
Well, I got the most points, so I am in first place. But tied for second place are these two blokes. And so we're gonna do first to land a 540 flip wins. Go ahead, Rochambeau, to see who goes first. Oh, it's Fetty Potter. So if Fetty Potter lands it right here, then he only has one go, double or nothing. And then if they win this, it'll be cage fight to the death. Oh boy, that was good. And Fetty Potter, representing the country of Oakland, has just won the Olympics. Wow! The crowd goes wild. The crowd goes wild.
Wait, I got third.
The country of Oakland.
It's a country.
Well, yeah, me and Nigel represent country of Oakland.
Born in Oakland.
I don't know why you said that. I live there too.
Yeah, but you got fair, so.
This kid Noah showed up for his lesson today. He's doing lessons at the Braille house. Right now he's learning how to do some tricks. It's his birthday coming up. He has no idea this is about to happen, but we all signed a board for him and we're gonna sing him happy birthday on 3. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, dear Noah! Happy birthday to you! Keep skating, happy birthday, you rock! Yeah! Thank you, 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 each and every single one of you guys. You guys are the absolute best. We could never do this without your continued help and support. And thanks to our sponsor, Lumerit. Go ahead and go to that link in the description below and sign up and learn much knowledge by going to college. If you guys want to see more skateboarding videos, you'll have an absolute blast. Go ahead and click right here. And if you want to learn how to skateboard, go ahead and go to brailleskateboarding.com, your resource for everything skateboarding. You guys are the absolute best. Like I said, we thank each and every single one of you. We really appreciate every single view, like, subscription. If you're not subscribed, subscribe right now. If you are, turn on those notifications, hit that like button, and leave us a comment. What video would you like us to see us do next for the Braille Olympics? Give us your ideas. We want to see your ideas. Thank you.